Hi guys, welcome to the MuleFlow tutorial. So in the session 5 we are going to see how can we use API Kit router within our MuleFlow. So let's start. So what is API Kit router? Generally guys, we use API Kit router whenever we want to just route our flow, and it is also useful to validate our request payload as well. So let's start. So this is one API Kit router guys. How can you find it? So you have to search here within our Mule palette. You have to search first here the API Kit router like this. So it may happen guys that API Kit module is not present within your Mule palettes, and that's why you are not able to search the API Kit router. So in that case, at first you have to import API Kit module within the Mule palette, and then you can search for the API Kit router. Okay, so once you get it, you have to just drag and drop within your flow here in the process section. Okay, now if you want to just know how to create a flow, and if you have any query, you can check my video, that is session 1, introduction to the AnyPoint Studio. You can get the link in the description section as well. Now how can we configure this API Kit router? To configure this API Kit router, here you have to first go to the add button, so like this. Okay, now you have to give one valid configuration file name, and then within the API definition guys, here you have to just attach one RAML. Now within the outbound headers map name, here you have to give one outbound header name, like I have given outbound headers, and here you have to give the HTTP status var name like I have provided. Okay, so in this way you can configure API Kit router. So on the basis of the RAML guys that you have defined within your flow, the API Kit router which validates your payload. So you have already defined some structure within your RAML, request and response structure. So on basis of that, it will validate your request payload that is coming into your flow. So in this way guys, we can configure API Kit router, and it will just route your all the requests that is coming to your flow according to the request structure it's getting. Okay, so it's all about API Kit router. It's a very simple, just try it, and if you are facing any issue or if you have any query, you can post those queries within the comment section. So thank you guys.